Okay, hello guys. This video I'm talking about fundamental analysis. I'll talk about fundamental analysis. So I'll be dividing it into two ways for you. So in fundamental analysis, the what we call markets like market general market news here, general market news, and your economic calendar. So your economic calendar are the events that happen at a specific time, like your NFP, your CPI, um, what again? Your PPI, your trade balance, unemployment claims. All those ones are economic calendar. They are news events. So the what we call that okay, that's number one. And number two, like I said, I'll be breaking it into two. So the second one is your general market news. General market news you can get it on CNN, you can get it on websites. Like now this is trusted source, this is Reuters. So you can actually come here to check your markets, your the general market news. All these ones affect the market in time. Why your economic calendar affects it at that time, because it comes with a specific time. It drops with a specific time, like 2:30. All those ones you know that okay, when it's 2:30, that's when it will affect the market. But this one you don't. But your general market news, you don't know when it's affecting the market, but you can actually predict the market. You can know whether good is get whether your dollar is getting strong or is getting weak. You can know what to do, whether you have to buy or sell. So this one here, this is one website here, and the second one is to go to investing.com, search for investing.com. This is it here. So you click it. I'm waiting for the network to load. Okay, yes, this is. So you can see crypto, you can see news, you can see analysis, you can see charts. So like that. So you can actually come here and check and click on currencies or breaking news. Let's go to currency. You can see this is a news on dollar. Dollar status as investor with inflation data. You can see, yeah, I'm not logging in now. So you can see, like now this dollar, this shows a sign that dollar is getting stronger. So so how do you trade this? How? So now when you're trading fundamental analysis, you have to pair, or when you are trading with fundamental analysis rather, you have to pair your strong currency with your weak currency. Like now, this dollar, you see that it's getting strong. The next thing to do is to find a weak currency that you know is getting weak, pair it together. For example, let's say your Japanese yen is getting weak, then you'll be able to have to trade USD JPY. You're expecting US dollar to buy, you're expecting JPY to sell. So you go to USD JPY, you are going to buy. So that's how it is. It makes you um or it allows you make a smarter and well accurate decision in trading. So like I said, this is the website here, investing.com and routers. Let me go to routers and show you how to use it. So routers, so you can come to market, then currencies. If it's stock, you can go to stock. If it's crypto, you can go to crypto. All this one here is about currency. As you can see this other news. This news on stock. This news on stock. US stock gains. You see. So this is where you get your 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 news, your general market news. So in the next video, um I'll be talking about economic calendar, how to trade news. Economic calendar, that's what most people call news. So I will show you some steps, I will show you some secrets on how to trade them. Yeah, how to trade your NFP, how to trade your CPI. Yeah, I'll be showing you that. So for more videos like this, for if you want to learn more, you can just follow. Sorry, not even follow. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can like the video is helpful to you. The video is not helpful to you. You can just skip. All right. Thank you.